before I went into an office type job. And you know, over my years of working and all the tools I built up in that, I decided when this guy became a contractor, hand them down to him.
Right.
So,
Yes.
my best toolbox.
Yes.
All yours, buddy.
Wait, let me get a close-up of that because it's got some dust on it.
Yeah, what? You can't buy dust.
Part of my test is, when was this made? Was it made prior to 1978? Because there might be asbestos on here. Okay.
Ready to get started, Chris?
I could strap down some plumbing right there. I can grind something down.
That's hilarious, Dad.
That's it.
Thanks for letting me clean out my toolbox this morning.
A socket. Oh, there we go.
It's kind of like an Uncle Chuck gag gift, but like, you know how he does it.
Solder. Here you go.
Alright, cool.
Solder right there. First stage. Some psychedelic earplugs.
Look at that, still in the package, man.
Saws any shaped hole.
1908? No, I'm joking.